Welcome to Coin Toss P Probability.
Consider two coins, one gold coin and second silver coin. Each coin has one side labeled as tail and another side as head.
This is a single gold coin. Its two faces are labeled head H1 and tail T1. And this is one silver coin. Its two faces are also labeled head H2 and tail T2.
Here we show the both coins with both of their faces displayed simultaneously.
Now we will determine the sample space for tossing two coins using two methods.
In the first method, we toss one coin at a time and first list its possible outcomes.
We begin by tossing the gold coin and listing its possible outcomes. As we know already, this is single gold coin and this is single silver coin.
We are now identifying all possible outcomes from tossing two coins. For this, place the gold coin on the gold circular plate and the silver coin on the silver circular plate as shown here.
When we toss the gold coin, the outcome is either H1, head, or T1, tail. Place these two outcomes in the two circular plates as shown.
Accordingly, place the two faces of the gold coin H1 and T1 onto the two gold plates.
Therefore, tossing the first gold coin yields exactly one of two outcomes, H1 head or T1 tail. Now, list the silver coin's outcomes in alignment with the gold result already obtained. Place the silver coin's possible outcomes on the silver circular plate independent of the gold coin. For the outcome of the gold coin T1, the silver coin independently has two possibilities, H2 head or T2 tail. Similarly, for the outcome of the gold coin H1, the silver coin independently has two possibilities, H2 head or T2 tail. Thus, these four outcomes exhaust all possibilities when two coins are tossed. Together they form the sample space. Thus, here is the sample space for tossing two coins, which includes every possible outcome of the two tosses. In this method, we have tossed one coin at a time, and now in next method, we are going to toss both the coins simultaneously. For the second method, we toss both coins at the same time. Then, we write down every result that appears and then study what each result means. Possible consequences of first outcomes while tossing both coins simultaneously is noted first here. Then we will place two circular plates side by side such that first outcome is noted in first plate and the second outcome is noted into the second plate, which we will show shortly.
Place the first outcome on the left circular plate and the second outcome on the right circular plate.
Since both the coins are tossed simultaneously, so first outcome could occur from any of the two coins, gold or silver. Because the first outcome could be head or tail from the gold coin or head-tail from the silver coin, there are four first outcome possibilities, so we place four plates along first x-axis. Then, we place whichever of H1, T1, H2 or T2 occurs as the first outcome on the first plate.
Thus, while tossing two coins simultaneously, the possible results are either head or tail by gold coin and either head or tail by silver coin.
Now, for each of the 4 first outcomes, place the corresponding coin toss result on the second plate one by one.
Now, from this first head result, we'll write down what the second outcome could be.
Given H1 on the gold coin, the second outcome can't be from same gold coin, so second outcomes must occur from the silver coin, which can be either H2 or T2. So we eliminate gold T1 for the possible second outcomes when gold H1 is first. Given that the gold coin shows head, H1, the silver coin has 2 possible outcomes, head, H2, or tail, T2. Let's list both.
The same situation persists whenever there is tail first outcome from gold coin.
Similarly, if the silver coin shows tail, T2, the other result must be from the gold coin, either head, H1, or tail, T1. The same holds when the silver coin shows head, H2. Since for each of 4 possible outcomes, we have 2 possible outcomes for second outcome. Thus, for each of the 4 first outcomes, we have here 2 second outcomes. So, altogether, here are 8 possibilities.
In this way, we obtain 8 outcomes from tossing both coins simultaneously. However, they are not all distinct. Each outcome has a duplicate. We will show this next. These two are the same outcome, head on the gold coin and head on the silver coin, H1 and H2.
The same holds for all groups. Each outcome is counted twice because it has a duplicate, which means in every group, each outcome appears twice due to duplication.
Since every outcome has a duplicate, there are 2 identical entries for each. Dividing by 2 gives the distinct outcomes. That means because every outcome is double counted, dividing by 2 produces the list of distinct outcomes. Thus, dividing by 2 removes duplication and collapses each pair into a single distinct outcome. Here we see visually how division collapses duplicated outcomes into a single original outcome. Visually how division collapses duplicated outcomes into a single original outcome. Therefore, this method also reduces to 4 distinct possibilities listed here. In this problem, we discovered the sample space for tossing 2 coins using 2 methods. In the next 2 videos, we'll explore probabilities for 2 coin tosses and discuss conditional probability for the coin toss problem.